So how do you get high quality videos to repurpose from your live streams off of YouTube? A lot of people just download it from the YouTube studio, and that's actually not the way to get the best quality because you're taking something that's already been compressed. So what we do is we always record inside of Streamyard. So Streamyard now has a local recording setting. So this way here, if for some reason the high quality version that's being compressed inside of StreamYard, which is even better than the YouTube one. So even if that's all you had, you would be ahead of the game. But what we do now is we do local recording inside of StreamYard, which is a new feature that they rolled out. And this gives us super high quality because it's on our local computer. Now, if you're doing an interview, it'll also record your interviewee. Okay, so that's one thing. The other thing is you have to make sure that you have a decent camera, even if it's just an iPhone, like I'm using right now. And from there, good lighting. Like good lighting goes a long way. So if you want high quality videos and you want to be able to download them, you're gonna need to start with a decent camera, good lighting, but then from there, you gotta make sure that you can still access the file. And the best way is using StreamYard. And if you want to try StreamYard, you can for free. Just go to startyourlive.com and you can go through our affiliate link. You'll buy me a cup of coffee and you can go ahead and record in high definition. So get out there and live stream. It's a lot of fun and you'll probably get some results.